Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is Indian Council of World Affairs ICWA. So basically ICWA is a think tank which has global level prominence, and it is established way before independence itself and even before most of the UN organizations came into existence, that is in 1943. So this is non-official, non-political and non-profit organization, but it almost functions as an extended arm of the Ministry of External Affairs. So this is the important point. It is non-official, non-political, non-profit think tank established before 1945 itself, 1947 itself, and it is an important arm of Ministry of External Affairs. So it is declared a institute of national importance. Now what is this institute of national importance? If the government gives the status to any particular higher education institution in India, especially by a parliament act, that institution will be recognized as an important player in developing highly skilled personnel within a specific domain of work and in a specific region. So institutes of national importance receive special recognition and funding. That is the significance. So Vice President of India or the Chairman of Rajya Sabha is considered to be the ex officio President of ICWA, while the Minister of External Affairs is its Vice President. So the domain of work is international relations and foreign affairs. So it has conducted historic international conferences like Asian Relations Conference in 1947 under the leadership of Sarojini Naidu, and United Nations and the New World Order in 1994. So this is another important summit that happened in ambit of ICWA. So like we have already discussed, media often calls it the most influential think tanks, but it is often seen just as an extension of the Ministry of External Affairs. So in this we have to give a lot of credit to Tej Bahadur Sapru. So he was the founder president of the council, and it is housed in Sapru House because it is named after him. So this is a part of the UN academic impact. So this UN academic impact aligns institutes of higher education, scholarship and research for sustainable development goals and achievement of social welfare. So this ICWA aims to support the realization of the sustainable development goals, focusing on reciprocal relation between education and sustainable development. Now it becomes all the more important in the wake of COVID-19 crisis that education is imparted with a value. We have to value the importance of sustainable development for the future generations. So that is why UN academic impact and ICWA becomes all the more important.